Hi friends, welcome to our training session on Leverage Small Business Set-asides. Targeted Opportunity Identification. Efficient identification of opportunities is critical in securing government contracts for small businesses. Approximately 23% of federal contracting dollars are set aside annually for small businesses, equating to over $145 billion as reported by the Small Business Administration from the SBA 2023. Maximizing these opportunities involves specific strategies. Step 1. Regularly filter opportunities on SAM.gov, specifically targeting listings labeled as Total Small Business, sorted by the posted date to identify recent openings quickly. Step 2. Set up Google alerts using keywords such as Setaside combined with your specific NAICS codes, ensuring immediate notification of relevant opportunities. Our recommended tool. Utilize GovWinIQ for tailored opportunity tracking, benefiting from customized alerts and market intelligence. The historically underutilized Business Zone HubZone program directs approximately 3% of federal prime contract dollars to eligible small businesses. HubZone certified firms secured contracts worth approximately $16 billion based on the SBA annual report for 2023. Step 1. Verify your company's eligibility and employee locations via the SBA HubZone Map tool. Step 2. Strategically lease satellite offices located within HubZones to significantly expand your firm's eligibility footprint. Recommended tool. Utilize the SBA HubZone map to pinpoint precise HubZone locations. Joint ventures significantly increase competitive advantage, particularly when pursuing set-aside contracts. According to the SBA, firms using JVs experience an average 30% higher success rate in winning government contracts compared to firms bidding independently. SBA JV Statistics, 2022. Step 1. Clearly define roles and ensure majority control, at least 51%. Remains with the qualifying small business partner to comply with SBA regulations. Step 2. Focus on economically disadvantaged women-owned small businesses and 8A, set-aside combination opportunities, which statistically yield higher contract award rates. Recommended tool. Utilize SCOR's mentorship templates to structure legally sound and compliance-ready JV agreements. SCOR's is a national nonprofit organization that provides free, confidential mentoring to small businesses. It's also a resource partner of the Small Business Administration, SBA. Post-award case studies significantly improve future bid competitiveness. Businesses documenting project outcomes clearly show improved win rates, up to 25% more likely to secure future contracts by demonstrating past success clearly and persuasively. Step 1. Document detailed lessons learned post-award, especially focusing on critical areas such as communication preferences of contracting agencies, which markedly improve customer satisfaction. Step 2. Leverage documented successes as compelling case studies in future bids, particularly full and open competitions where past performance strongly influences selection criteria. Recommended tool. Use HubSpot's Case Study Builder to systematically structure and publish professional-grade success stories. Our goal is to show you how government contracts are beneficial to all small businesses and to help you achieve amazing results. Winning contracts from the largest customer in the United States, the federal government, isn't merely about securing revenue. It's about strategically positioning your small business for transformative growth. Every year, the U.S. government spends over $600 billion on goods and services, dedicating nearly a quarter of that to small businesses. Successfully tapping into this immense market means gaining not just steady income but credibility, experience, and a track record that opens doors to even larger opportunities. By learning and mastering government contracting processes, your business can thrive within a stable, predictable market, scaling up significantly through sustained partnerships with the country's largest customer, the U.S. government.